Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to give you a full walkthrough of the BloFin exchange. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to set up your account, secure it, make your first deposit, buy crypto, place spot and future trades, and even explore some of the more advanced features like margin types, position modes, and copy trading. And stick around because I will also explain how you can take part in BloFin's $10,000 deposit and trader bonus campaign, which is an amazing way to boost your trading experience right from the start. Now, before we dive in, let me just say this. I am not a financial advisor. Nothing in this video is a financial advice. Always do your own research before making investment decisions. With that said, let's get started. The very first step is to create your BloFin account. You can find the link in the description of this video. If you use that link, you will unlock exclusive bonuses and rewards that aren't available to regular signups. Once you have created your account, head over to your profile, then click on Account and Security. Here is where you will set up two-factor authentication. This is absolutely essential. You can choose to use your Google Authenticator app, which gives you a new 6-digit code every 30 seconds, or you can use your passkeys on your iPhone or Android devices to log in with your fingerprint or Face ID. If you want even stronger security, you can use a hardware security key like a YubiKey, which plugs into your device and verifies your login with a single tap. Whenever mode you choose, make sure you enable two-factor authentication right away. Also, avoid linking your phone number if possible because SIM swaps are still a real risk. With your security set up, your account is ready to go. And now let's talk about deposits. So BloFin gives you two main options. The first is to buy crypto directly with fiat currency. BloFin partners with third-party providers like Simplex and Alchemy Pays, so when you click buy crypto, you will be redirected to one of these services. You can pay with your debit or credit card, and once the payment is proceed, the crypto will be deposited into your BloFin account. This method is quick and convenient, but fees are usually around 3 to 4%, which is on the higher side. The second option is to deposit crypto directly, which is what most experienced traders prefer to do. So to do this, click on Asset, then Deposit. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, for example, USDT, and make sure you select the correct network, whether that's ERC20, TRC20, or something else. BloFin will generate you a deposit address for you. Copy that address, go to the exchange or wallet where your funds are currently stored, and send the crypto to your BloFin address. Always double check that the asset and network match on both sides. If you are unsure, start with a small test amount before sending the full balance. Once your funds have arrived, you are ready to trade. So let's begin with spot trading, which is the most straightforward way to trade on BloFin. Head over to the spot section from the main menu. Make sure your funds are in your spot account. If they are still sitting in your funding account, just click transfer to move them over. Now select a trading pair, for example, Bitcoin to USDT. On your screen, you'll see the trading chart, the order book, and the options to place an order. You can place a market order which buys or sells instantly at the best available price, or a limit order which allows you to set an exact price you want to buy or sell at. Limit orders are great if you are aiming for a specific entry or exit point, and they also make you a maker in the market, which usually comes with a slightly lower fees. On BloFin, the fees for spot trading is just 0.1% per trade, which is very competitive compared to other exchanges. Once you place your order, your balance updates right away, and you now officially own the crypto you bought. Now let's move on to futures trading, which is where things get really interesting. With futures, you're not buying or selling the actual crypto. Instead, you are trading on the price movement. If you think the price will go up, you can open a long position. If you think it will go down, you can open a short position. This lets you profit from both directions of the market. Futures also lets you use leverage, which means you can control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital. For example, if you have $1,000 and you want to open a $2,000 trade, you can do that with 2 times leverage. Your $1,000 stays in your account as collateral, and the platform lends you the other 1,000. The benefit is that you can amplify your gains, but the risk is that you can also amplify your losses. For example, at 10 times leverage, a 10% move against you can wipe out your entire position. That's why it's so important to start small and use the leverage responsibly. On BloFin, future fees are very competitive. Makers pay just 0.02% and takers pay 0.06%. That's lower than most major exchanges. But before I show you a live trading example, let's talk about BloFin's $10,000 deposit and trader bonus campaign I mentioned in the start. So this is a limited time event that rewards you with the future trading bonuses when you meet certain requirements. So here is how it works. So first thing first, your deposit is calculated as the amount you transfer into your future account minus the amount you transferred out. Secondly, your trading volume is calculated based on taker trades only, meaning trades that are filled instantly. You must meet both of deposit requirements and the trading volume requirements to receive the bonus. Let me give you a couple of examples. So for example, you deposit $1,000 and trade $1 million in volume, you can receive a $200 future bonus. If you deposit $500 but trade $1.5 million in volume, you can still only receive the same $200 bonuses. The key is that both conditions must be met. Once the bonus is credited to your account, it's valid for 7 days, so make sure to use it during that time. Also, note that fraudulent activity will disqualify you, and BloFin reserves the right to do the final interpretation of the campaign. But overall, this is a fantastic opportunity to get extra trading power without risking your own money, so definitely check out once you have created your account this campaign. Alright, now let's get back to the trading interface. On BloFin, you'll also find setting for position modes and margin types. Position mode lets you choose between one-way mode and hedge mode. In one-way mode, you can only hold one position per contract at a time. So if you open a long position on Bitcoin and then try to open a short, it will automatically reduce or close your log. In hedge mode, you can hold both a long and short positions on the same contract at the same time. This is useful if you are running different strategies or want to hedge one position against another. Margin type gives you the choice between isolating margin and cross margin. With isolated margin, each position has its own margin, so if one trade goes bad, it won't affect your other positions. With cross margin, your entire account balance is shared across all positions, so profits from one trade can cover losses in another. Cross margin is generally better for advanced traders, while isolated is safer for beginners. BloFin also offers Coin M Future, which are a little different from USDT M Future. With Coin M Futures, you use the actual cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum as margin. Profit and losses are also settled in that same crypto. For example, if you are trading a BTC contract, everything is settled in BTC. This is a great option if you want to accumulate more Bitcoin or Ethereum rather than holding stablecoins. The process is the same. Choose your leverage, set your trading site, and decide whether you want to go long or short. Always remember to set your stop loss and take profit levels when opening a trade. This protects you from unexpected moves and locks in your gains when the market hits your target. One more feature worth mentioning is copy trading. This is perfect for people who don't have time to actively trade or who want to learn from experienced traders. In the copy trading section, you can browse throughout a list of top performing traders, check out their past performance, their risk level, and their trading strategies. Once you find what you like, you can allocate a portion of your funds to automatically copy their trades. Whenever they open or close a position, the same action happens in your account. The best part is that you stay in control. You can stop copying at any time or adjust the amounts of funds you are allocating. This makes copy trading a great way to have your money work for you passively while you gain experience. So yeah, guys, that's a full tour of the BloFin exchange. Today we covered everything from creating and securing your account to making deposits, placing spot and future tradings, exploring advanced settings like position modes and margin types. We tried out coin and futures, and we even tapped into the copy trading. Plus, we went throughout all the details of the $10,000 deposit and trader bonus campaign, so you know exactly how to take advantage of it. Are you more of a spot trader, or do you prefer the excitement of futures? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more crypto tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. And of course, if you want to try BloFin yourself, don't forget to use my link in the description to sign up and claim your bonuses. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.